Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and as we end the year, as we in a few hours will be into 2019, what is going to happen to Windows 10 in 2019? If we look ahead, well, first of all, yep, we're still going to have two new versions of Windows in 2019. The first one that insiders are testing right now, as we are at build 18305, codename 19H1. This is what should appear in people's computer in March or April of this year. So some kind of April 2019 update. Version 1903, 1904, something like that. That's what's coming up. What we know? Well, we know that there'll be a Windows sandbox mode for testing out software, testing out different stuff, as we will be in have this new feature for Windows 10 Pro and Enterprise. Unfortunately, I would have enjoyed having that appear in the version of Home of Windows 10. What else do we have? Of course, lots of little things. There's settings that will be moving around, and light theme and dark theme and all sorts of little thing like that. And nothing major until now. We still have no idea that sets is going to be in the next version of Windows. One thing for sure, the next version of Windows needs to be rock solid when it comes out, because it's just going to be a big problem for Microsoft if they can't give two rock solid and good updates this year of 2019. I mean, after the April 2018 and October 2018 updates that had bugs and problems, they can't afford to have that anymore. The next version after that is codenamed Vanadium or Vanadium, and that is a change in codename. It used to be called 19H2. That will come in the fall, and we, of course, don't know yet what new features and what it's going to bring, but there are two versions coming this year again. So hopefully they will actually run well and be okay, because Microsoft really needs to. And as we go into 2019, of course, on this channel we'll be continuing talking about all the new features, helping you out with all the problems and all the things that could happen, and hopefully you'll enjoy our videos for the year of 2019. The next videos that will be posted, I think I'll have another one here today, December 31st, but I probably will not post anything before January 3rd, this coming Thursday, for the next videos. I will be taking, of course, New Year's Day to probably take it easy and try to come back to life after the New Year's Eve party. And January 2nd, probably taking just a day off to just enjoy life a little bit. And we'll be back with videos on Thursday, January the 3rd. Happy New Year once again to everybody. Thanks for following us on this channel.